Welcome to Beautyistic. We all know how essential it is to keep our smiles healthy and fresh, but sometimes brushing alone isn't enough. That's where products like the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens come into play. If you're tired of trying to reach those tricky spots between your teeth, these interdental brushes might be just the solution you're looking for. And before we jump into the details, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep up with all of our honest reviews and helpful tips. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens bulk refills are designed to fit perfectly into your GUM permanent handle or dual-ended handle. Each pack contains 200 soft bristled interdental brushes, treated with a hygienic solution that ensures up to 10 days of use per brush. This makes it a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional flossing. These brushes come in extra wide, making them ideal for people with larger interdental spaces. One of the key features of the GUM Proxabrush is the soft bristles that effectively slide between teeth, removing plaque and food particles that can't be reached by regular brushing alone. I've been using these for a while, and I can confirm that they really make a noticeable difference in cleaning those hard-to-reach spots. They fit easily into my routine, and I didn't have any issues with discomfort, which can sometimes happen with other brushes. These brushes are particularly beneficial for people with braces or other dental appliances. The nylon-coated wire ensures that they won't scratch your braces or cause any damage to dental fixtures. I tested them while wearing a retainer, and the Proxabrush was gentle but effective in cleaning around the edges of the appliance, which can sometimes be a problem area with regular floss. As for the design, I love that these brushes are easy to handle and don't slip while I'm using them. The wide interdental brushes are perfect for larger gaps between teeth, and it's really convenient that they're compatible with both the permanent and dual-ended gum handles. This versatility makes it easy to customize your cleaning routine based on your needs. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, these brushes are incredibly effective in cleaning between teeth, and they really get into those tough-to-reach areas. The soft bristles make them gentle enough for sensitive gums, and they're great for people with braces or dental appliances. The large quantity in the pack is a definite bonus, especially for families or anyone who uses them daily. On the flip side, the size of the wide brushes may not be suitable for everyone. If you have very tight spaces between your teeth, you might want to check out the moderate or tight versions instead. Also, some might find the need to replace the brushes every 10 days a bit of a hassle. But given the hygienic treatment on each brush, it's a minor trade-off for better oral health. When it comes to value for money, these refills are definitely a solid investment. A pack of 200 will last a long time, and the price is reasonable when you consider how much you're paying for quality dental care. If you're someone who has a lot of dental appliances or wider gaps between your teeth, these are a great option for maintaining good oral hygiene. Plus, the fact that they're treated for up to 10 days of use makes them a cleaner and more eco-conscious choice than single-use floss picks. As for alternatives, if the price of this bulk pack feels a bit high for you, there are other interdental brushes out there, though I haven't found many that offer the same combination of softness and durability. Some other brands do offer similar products, but they often come with fewer brushes per pack or don't have the same hygiene treatment. If you're looking for a cheaper option, you could look for smaller packs or explore brands with fewer features, but I believe GUM offers the best overall value. I also didn't have any experience with the brand's customer service for this product, but GUM has a strong reputation for reliability and customer support in the dental care industry, so I would expect any inquiries to be handled professionally. In conclusion, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens bulk refills are a reliable, effective, and convenient solution for people looking to improve their dental hygiene. Whether you have braces, wider gaps, or simply want to take better care of your teeth, these brushes are a great addition to your routine. They're gentle, durable, and deliver consistent results, making them worth considering for anyone looking for a more thorough clean between their teeth. Thank you for watching today's review. If you're interested in purchasing the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, the link is in the comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.